Hey guys, let's see how to fix the Tapo Smart Motion Sensor not triggering all the time. This is the Tapo T100, but the same applies to any smart device with any sensor, okay? So basically here I have this lamp and I can turn on just from here because it's connected here to the smart plug. You see the lamp's on right now and I can turn off from here and I can do this from my app as well. So here I have the Tapo app. I can just come here and turn the lamp on or off. And there's a sensor that's here on my phone as well, which is part of the sensor devices, but it's not working. See, when I move my hand in front of the sensor, let me just turn this off and then move my hand in front of the sensor, it's not working, okay? And I can check here that the sensor is being triggered. See here, 1104 is triggered, but for some reason it's not working. You see here, again, not working, right? So what I have to check here first, if there's a smart action between the sensor and my smart plug. So I come here to the Tapo smart sensor and I can have here the smart action. You see it? Then here I have a smart action to turn on the lamp. Let me just check what's going on here. You see here's the name and here the effective time, 12 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. And right now it's 11 a.m. That's the problem here. So if I come here to the schedule, I see that something is wrong. So I can just change the schedule. Instead of using p.m., I can change to a.m., right? So let me just come here and change this one to a.m. Then I'm good to go. Okay, if I want to use a schedule, of course, or I can just change to always. Okay, that's a solution as well. Let me just leave like this, come back here, and just move my hand in front of the sensor, see if it works. Still not working for some reason. All right, let me just double check. Sometimes I just forget to save. You see here, that is still with the PM, not AM. So just make sure that I have here with AM. Let me just do this again. Done. Then one more time. Done. And save. Okay. Let me just try now. Move my hand here. Not working yet. Something else that I need to check. Double check here. That's AM. Now I'm good to go. And it's on. Right? The smart action is on, and now I can check here on the sensor the interval. See here, detection interval is 60 seconds. So it's going to trigger after 60 seconds only. Well, let me just come here and I can change this interval if I want to. Let's say to 4, save. And now come back here. Just double check that I can turn on and turn off the device from here as well. So it's working. Let me just turn it off. And now move my hand in front of the sensor. And now it's working. See back there? Pretty good, right? Then if I just come here and turn it off, then I just need to wait 4 seconds, right? So I can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be good to go again. I'll just move my hand there. And it's working, right? So it's just a question of a schedule and also the interval, right? So just check on this, and you can also check if you have the smart action between your devices as well. You can have sometimes a smart plug like I have here, or you can have a light switch like this one, okay? Regardless, you can just check those things, right? If there's a smart action between them, the schedule, and also the interval. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.